Hello and welcome to my channel From Dusk to Shine. My name is Veronica and I do cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. So if that's the kind of videos that you like, I hope that you subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos. And now, let's go clean. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my oven. To clean it, I'm going to be using Dawn dish soap, baking soda, and white vinegar. Here I am showing you how dirty the oven really was. It had a big area with caked on grease. In today's video, I'm not going to be cleaning the oven racks, so I'm just going to be removing them. The first thing I'm going to do is spray vinegar all over the oven. I'm going to be using this spray bottle to make sure that I get all of the oven soaked. And like you can see, the vinegar alone starts to remove all of the burnt stains. So while the oven soaks with the vinegar, I'm going to start preparing a paste so that I can apply it to the oven. There are no specific measurements that we have to follow. It just depends on how dirty your oven is. Mine just had the big burned area, so I did not need to make a lot of the paste. In a dish or a plastic container, you're going to need to add baking soda and a little bit of the dish soap. Then with a spoon, you're going to start mixing the two ingredients together. Add dish soap a little bit at a time and start adding vinegar. Again, don't add all of the vinegar all at once. We want to make a paste, so add the vinegar until your consistency looks like this. So this is how your paste will look once you have everything mixed together. Now I'm going to apply the paste with a sponge. Like you can see, I'm applying the paste all over the areas that have that caked on grease. I'm going to leave this paste overnight. The longer that you leave it on, the easier it is to clean everything off. But it also works if you leave it on for at least 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, so it is now the next day. I'm going to start off by spraying more vinegar on top of the paste. I'm going to be using this green cleaning pad. I'm going to start by scrubbing, not using much force. Everything is coming off very easily.
Just stay with me and make it worth your while.
Here I am using the pad to go over the areas that needed a second cleaning. Now with a clean towel, I'm going to start removing the paste. The last thing I'm going to do is apply more vinegar to the oven to help give it a nice, clean, shiny look. I'm going to be using a paper towel to wipe it all down.
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over
And this is how my oven turned out. Like you can see, it is a huge difference. I'd like to thank you for spending some of your day with me, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. I'll see you in the next video.
if only you could see. Don't you know that